welcome back. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I hope kids that you all are fit and fine at your places. As you can see kids that this video is a revision video. See kids, in your Abacus exam, addition and subtraction sums will come. Means the sums in which you have to add or subtract. Now kids, as you know that for adding and subtracting, I have told you these small friends. So kids, these small friends only will come in your Abacus exam. Means you have to solve your sums with the help of these small friends. Two types of small friends, addition and subtraction. See kids, in Abacus there are some sums which you can do directly without using these small friends. मीन्स कुछ सम्स ऐसे होते हैं जो आप बिना स्मॉल फ्रेंड्स के यूज के भी कर सकते हो इन दिस टूल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन दिस रिवीजन वीडियो वी विल टेक द सम्स इन विच यू कैन ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट डायरेक्टली विदाउट यूजिंग द फ्रेंड्स इन दिस टूल. एंड आफ्टर सम सम्स वी विल डू सम सम्स रिलेटेड टू स्मॉल फ्रेंड्स also. So kids, in exam you can use this small friend methods also and you can use your own method also for solving the sums. Means in addition and subtraction sums you can use your own methods also. So let's start with this tool and the sums. See, these sums are direct sums. Direct sum means that we don't have to use small friends in these sums. We can do directly these sums in the tool. Now a quick revision of the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, 5. 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. You know? Now the second row. It's 10, 20, 30, 40. After 40, 50. Then 60, then 70, then 80, then 90. Like this way kids, you have to calculate the sums in your tool. Again I am repeating kids, in the Abacus exam for addition and subtraction sums, you can use your own method also. Now, first of all, we will do some direct sums related to this tool. Now, as you know, it is a one row sum, so put it in one slot. It is a two row sum, so ones and tens. And it is a one row sum, so ones. Now start putting. See, first of all you have to add 4. Now add it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easily you can. Now minus 3. Minus 3 means put 3 beads down. 1, 2, 3. Done. Now add this 2. 1, 2. See kids, directly we have done the sum in the tool without using small friends. So these type of sums are called direct sum and these type of sums will come in your exam. Direct sums and some small friend sums also. Now what is the answer? See, count 1, 2, 3. So 3 is your answer. See, for solving this in exam you can use tool also and you can use your own method also for addition and subtraction. Now next, see, it is a two row sum, ones and tens, but add them directly. Directly means together. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now add this 50. You know 50 is in the second row. 50. Now add 10. 10. Again add 20, 10, 20. And your sum is completed. See, these are direct sums. Now 50, 60, 70, 80. And 80 is your answer. Next, you have to add 5. Now before adding 5, set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now first of all add 5. Add it. Now next add 3. See, 1, 2, 3. Then minus 1. Minus, please take care of the sign. It's minus 1. Minus means put the bead down. Now what is the answer? It's 5, 6, 7. I hope kids that you get these direct sums. These type of sums will come in your exam, abacus exam, means direct sums. And some of small friends also, we will do it afterwards. Now let's move to the fourth sum, fifth sum and sixth sum. Now kids, it's your fourth sum, fifth sum and sixth sum. Now let's start. As you know, it's a two-row sum. So first row will go in ones and second will go in tens. Same here, ones, tens. Ones, tens. Now let's start. First of all, put 41 means 4 in tens rod and ones in ones rod. Let's start. Now first of all, put this 4 in tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 1 in ones rod. 1. It's 41. Then this is done. Next, put this 3 in ones rod. See, 1, 2, 3. And this is also done. Now next, minus 3. See, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 from ones rod. Now count. See, in tens rod it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And in tens rod it is 1. So your answer is 41. Same way kids, let's move to the second sum. The set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now first of all, add the 6 in tens rod and 6 in ones rod. See, for 6 you have to take the help of 5. Now see, 5, 6, 5, 6. See, 5, 6, 5, 6 is 66 we have done. Next, add this 3, 3 in ones and tens. So 1, 2, 3 in tens and 1, 2, 3 in ones. This is also done. Now minus. See, minus 9 first of all in tens. 5 back to its place. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have subtracted. Now again minus 9 in ones rod. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all subtracted. Now its answer is 0. 0 because see there nothing is there left out. All is back to its place. So 0. Its answer is 0. I hope kids that you are getting these sums. These are the direct sums. Now the next. Now in next kids we have to use small friends. Now before starting small friends we will do a quick revision of it. Now kids, in small friends I have make you study addition and subtraction formulas. Means I have told you that whenever you have to add any number, first of all you have to add 5. See, remember, you have to add 5, subtract the friend. I think all kids remember. Very nice. Now, whenever you have to add any number, and number means 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have to add 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, the first number which you will add is 5. And then you will subtract the friend. Now, who is the friend of 4? 1. And who is the friend of 2? 3. The first thing which you will do is add 5 and subtract the friend. Now in subtraction means if you have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, then the first number which you will subtract is 5. Means subtract 5 and add the friend. See, friends. See kids, one at a time. Yes, one at a time we have taken one by one small friends, and we have done a number of sums also related to these small friends. Those kids who don't remember these small friends, they can go through my channel. In my channel, the videos of these small friends are there. You can go through it again. Now kids, let's do this sum with the help of small friends. Now see, one thing always remember that, see kids, where you use small friends. Whenever you get lack of bead, there you take the help of small friends. See, in these sums, beads are there in the tool, but in this sum, the bead will not be there. And where we get lack of bead, there we use small friends. Now let's start. Now first of all, 6. Add 6 in tens round. 5, 6. Then add this 1 in ones rod. Add it. Now it's added. Now add this 3 in ones rod. 1, 2, 3. Add it. Now next you have to add this 2. But you can see kids that for adding this 2 in ones rod means here bead is not there. Now here you get lack of bead, and wherever you get lack of bead, you take the help of small friends. Now for adding this 2, what you have to do? See, here you have to add 2. Add 2 means plus 2. You have to do plus 5 minus 3. What you have to do? Plus 5 minus 3. See, I have told you whenever you have to add any number, the first number which you will add is 5. And you have to subtract the friend. So you have to add 2. So the first number which you will add is 5. And subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 2? 3. 1, 2, 3. See, plus 5 minus 3. And your 2 is added. Next, add this 2 in ones rod. Directly you can add, and this is done. Now count. See, 5, 6 in tens rod, and 5, 6, 7, 8 in ones rod, and 68 is your answer. Students, again I am repeating that for doing these sums you can use your own methods also in exam. Now we will move to our last sum kids. Now kids, it's your last sum. Now as you know, the first row will go in 1, second row will go in tens. Now first of all add this 2 in tens rod. Now first of all set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now 2 in tens rod. 1, 2, and this 5 in ones rod. 5. It's 25. Now this is done. Now minus 1 in the ones rod. Now you can see kids that 5 you have already added and minus 1 you have to do. Now see, no one bead is there. So how you will add? Now I have told you that whenever you have to subtract any number, the first number which you will subtract is 5 and add the friend. Now 1 you have to subtract. So first of all subtract 5 and add the friend. Now who is the friend of 1? 4. Add 4. And your 1 is subtracted. Now next add 5 in ones. 5. And then minus 7. Minus 7, see 5, 6, 7. And your sum is completed. Now count. See 2 beads in tens rod and 2 beads in ones rod. So your answer is 22. I hope kids that you get the today's video sums. See kids, in your abacus exam there will be these 2 types of sums. Means the sums which you can do directly and some sums of small friends. See kids, direct sums you can do directly. In small friend sums you can use small friends also, and you can use your own methods to solve the sums which you use in your regular mathematics. So kids, I hope that you get these sums today. Make sure you watch every single video kids and stay tuned to the video to learn more. Thank you.